रिसेंट अपने पैसों से, अपनी मेहनत से, अपनी मर्सिडीज ली है। काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल सा एक आंसर वो स्टेटमेंट होता था, अलग से मिलते हैं ना।
हाँ,
अलग से मिलते हैं
हाँ,
ना,
अकेले मिलेंगे, वहाँ पे ऐसी बात नहीं हो पाएगी, वहाँ पे ऐसी
अलग से व्हाट द हेल, लाइक बहुत अलग। उन्होंने मुझे बोला था कि आप बॉस लेडी की जैसे बिहेव करोगे और आपको एक लाइन बोलनी है। तब मेरे पास वरना थी, मतलब ब्लैक कलर की गाड़ी जो थी। जैसे कि नहीं, आप अपनी गाड़ी का नाम मत लेना, आप बोलोगे कि मैं अपनी मर्सिडीज पे आती हूँ और पति के पैसे पार्टी में बिल्कुल नहीं उड़ाती हूँ। दैट वाज माय लाइन। आई सेड 1 सेकंड, बट आई डोंट हैव मर्सिडीज राइट नाउ। कि तो कोई पार्टी में हो जाएगी ना। एंड दैट इज द डे व्हेन आई वाज लाइक ओके सीरियसली। उसके 4 साल के बाद
Hi, this is Amanpreet Wahi and I welcome you to yet another fun-filled episode of our podcast on Edge Talks. And today we have a very special guest. She's my friend, colleague, fellow party animal, and she's our very own Delhi darling, Seema Gumbar. Seema, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for having me, and it's so exciting to do a chit chat with you, Edge Talks with you.
Yes,
I'm super excited, looking forward to it.
Looking forward to it. So Seema, please tell our viewers, हमारे viewers वहाँ हैं, and please tell our viewers कि आपने अपनी journey कैसे start की, who inspired you, and what gave you the idea कि okay मुझे life में अब कुछ करना है.
So, as you all know, I'm Seema Gumbar, boss lady from ZTV Delhi Darling, and I've done a couple of more shows, reality shows. Now, how this journey began is like, blessing in disguise. Generally when you are in a situation in your life, you at times do not have much of choices. So it is a similar kind of a story of mine. I was from like a business class family, and then suddenly I had to get back to my service industry, like as in a job. I started working, and while I was working, I got a couple of calls from television, from few of the shows, pageants and all. And the first thing I said yes to was a beauty pageant. And I don't know what they saw in me, and they were like, okay, you need to participate because it's a Mrs. India kind of a competition.
So would you call that the turning point in your life?
Absolutely, because I was not from this glamorous world at all. I was from the corporate world. I was always working with corporates. Approximately 15 years I worked with corporates, and that was absolutely non-glamorous field, as all of everybody knows. And when one fine day this thing happened, when I got called for this beauty pageant, that was the day when I said yes, and then there was no looking back.
Wow. So from a housewife to a career woman, किसी ने कोई idea दिया कि बस हो गया?
Idea nahi diya. I was always working before marriage. So I think because of my attitude and kind of a liking towards always working, not to sit at home, I was never a kind of a housewife kind of a material. Though meri shaadi ke baad, after my marriage, my family wanted me to be a kind of a typical housewife because I got married.
Taking care of the children.
Because it's a business family, where I got married. So you know how business family behaves. Punjabi business family typically. They wanted me to stay at home, but mere andar keeda tha. That keeda never stopped, and I continued working after marriage also. And this glamorous world, this glamour world happened much later in my life when I was a mother of 2 children. And then also somebody saw something in me, some spark in me, and I was like, okay, if they can see, why is that I am not able to see? So let me get on to this journey.
And you've come a long way since then. Fantastic. So जो a lot of people like us or सभी हमारी लाइफ में कई challenges आते हैं. So आपकी लाइफ में कोई ऐसा challenge जो आप शेयर करना चाहते हैं जिसने आपकी लाइफ में सबसे ज़्यादा impact डाला हो?
Challenge, yes, of course, were plenty. Lot of. एक तो मेरे बच्चे बहुत छोटे थे. My kids were very small when I got started with this glamour world, and this glamour world asked for a lot. Like there is a lot. You have to behave a particular manner. You have to be dressed in a particular manner. You have to be spick and span, and there are late night parties. You have to be away from your house most of the time. So that was a challenge because I had to leave my children back home all alone most of the time, because my mom-in-law was not that physically fit to take care of it. So wo rehta tha. I mean, it always used to be like one half of your brain is back home with your children, and half of your brain is at your work. So there was a lot of challenge because at times you leave your house with tears in your eyes, and when you're there in that situation with people, you have to have that smile on your face, and you have to feel like kuch bhi nahi, and nothing is there, all good.
So we understand, Seema, that आपके husband की business में एक financial downfall आया था. So आपने उस time इस situation को, अपनी family को और अपने आप को कैसे handle किया?
So as I said, I was always a working girl and then became a working woman. So I somehow feel from the day one, I've probably grown up like this, that it's not only men responsibility to, you know, come and earn for family and do all of the affairs. I think it's pretty okay. Tomorrow if, you know, a woman is a kind of a sole bread, you know, earner to the family, or she's a single woman, then also she has to, you know, do all of for herself. And because even maybe she has chosen to divorce her husband, or maybe her husband has passed away, that's a kind of a situation, it's not in your hand. Then also woman has to get up and stand up and take charge of the family. So I somehow feel if there is any kind of a business losses which has happened in my husband's business, so that is something obviously he must not have done intentional. It's situational. Business mein ups and downs hote hain, losses hote hain. So why is that I have to now sit down, keep on crying, cribbing on the situation, and wo kuएं ka mendak ban ke, you know, keep on just spoiling my life and my children's life. So that is the time when I thought, like, no, my children deserve a wonderful life. They're beautiful children God has blessed me with. Why do I have to just, you know, sit at home crying like कि ये हो गया, अभी तो बर्बाद हो गया, ये हो गया? No. I said, no, Seema, you are well capable, you have caliber, you can go out, you can work, you've already been working, so where is the problem now supporting your husband and coming back to, you know, final the same stature of yours which you had lost it? And your children, of course, they have no fault, they have come into this beautiful life, give them what they deserve. And that's how I went out and walked back to the tribe.
So Seema, you've been a devoted mother, a wife, and of course a devoted daughter-in-law, and you've taken care of everyone. But ऐसा point क्या था जब आपने decide किया, okay, अब time आ गया है मेरी life मुझे अपने तरीके से जीने का?
Yeah, so see, every stage of your life, there is a certain set of, you know, responsibilities, there are certain priorities which you have to understand, and you have to go by that. So until that age, when my children were, you know, self-capable to take care of themselves, until then I was like hustling myself, like in my family affairs, my house affairs, my work and everything. There's a lot of struggle, a lot of work. Now my children are grown up and like well settled. My daughter is working with KPMG. She's staying in Bangalore.
Nice.
My son is in college, second year, all grown up. This is the time, like until last 2 years, I guess, or maybe last 1 year, I realized now it's my time. And it's something I need to, you know, spend on myself. I need to make myself happy. Maybe it's traveling all alone with friends, maybe buying a luxury car, maybe having a big house, or just partying with your friends, girls' friends. So that all I'm doing now from last 1.5 years.
And why not? It's time to live it up.
Absolutely, because God has given you one life. You are not going to get another life, and nobody is going to come and take care of your happiness. You are yourself charge and the queen of your life.
Absolutely.
So take the charge and go ahead.
Yes.
Because I've done enough, you know?
Yeah.
So
absolutely. I feel that, you know, women, we're given so many roles throughout our lives that we keep like our parents. You know, they just kept performing their roles, and now their body is not with them anymore. And I feel, please live your life today when your knees have the strength to carry you.
That is absolutely right statement you just said that, because, you know, earlier there used to be time people used to think there is a retirement age और उसके बाद हम enjoy करेंगे. First we will earn, then your body is not allowing you to enjoy. Then it's so now I've thought like कि there is a right time.
Absolutely.
And please,
and that time is
bring happiness. Bring happiness to yourself.
तो वैसे तो मेरी शादी को भी काफी साल हो गए, but speaking of, you know, कि आपकी 21 years की successful marriage का राज क्या है? आजकल आपको पता है divorces, ये a lot of things going on. So what do you think is this reason behind a successful marriage of 21 years and still going strong?
Okay, yours is 21.
मैं 16 हो गए, and I was with him since 5 years before that. So 21 years इकट्ठे हो गए.
Okay, mine is, I am completing 25 years this year.
Oh wow, 21.
Yeah, it's 25 now.
Oh, lovely.
And we had a courtship of 7 years before marriage. So I know him like abhi
so then 32 years together.
It's like, yeah, we've grown up together. Like bachpan se hi saath mein. It's too much of time we spent together. But yeah, it's 25 years of my marriage, and how it worked, Amanpreet, there is no manual, which is being printed in the world, which will
Bilkul.
tell you how is that you can sustain your marriage.
Correct.
It is within yourself, and until you, in your brain and your heart, you take a kind of final decision that I have to make it possible.
Bilkul.
No matter what the world is saying, no matter what the situations are. Now, if you decide it, then you better go for it, and you
Yeah.
better make it up
Yeah.
for it. So I think that's the only kind of a thought process of mine which I carried forward always. कि जो मर्जी हो जाए ठीक है, it is okay. I think every family has kind of these things which is there, it's a hidden thing, right?
Yeah.
So why to keep on cribbing?
Yeah.
Now we have this husband and I am his wife, so let's make it better and beautiful. Every day is not a Sunday.
So
But also,
आपके हस्बैंड ने नहीं कभी बोला कि you were supposed to stay at home and now suddenly you're like everywhere and busy. So did he support the transition?
yeah, see, initially he also did not have a choice that I had to move out of my house क्योंकि
Okay.
कमाना है,
हाँ,
काम
बिल्कुल,
करना है,
हाँ.
पैसे वापस चाहिए,
हाँ.
whatever the losses we
Correct,
have been
हाँ.
through. So initially he did not have choice. My family, means as in my in-laws also did not have choice, so they had to allow it. But कभी-कभी वो हो जाता है because in this glamour, as you know, that the late night parties and you have to wear such kind of clothes, and
Yeah.
at times my shoots are happening and all of it, and then you have to meet people. People meet in a certain way, which
Yeah.
is not acceptable
Correct.
by family. But I think there were little hassles, there were little turbulence, but now it is settled down because
So
I
this
had
was
to.
the glamour industry transition.
Yeah.
तो आपने बोला कि जब financially problem आई तो आप service industry में
Yes,
पहले वापस
yes,
गए.
yes.
तो वो transition में उन्होंने support किया और how did that affect your family?
Yeah, so I would definitely give the entire credit to my in-laws. Since my husband was, he had to, go out of the town to maybe probably bring back his business to get stabilized. But that time my in-laws were there. We staying in the same house. So there was a great support because they used to take care of my children, and they used to really appreciate the fact that I'm moving out of my house to support him, because there's one person among both, as in husband wife.
Yeah.
One person has not been successful, is not
Yeah.
able to do
Yeah.
something which is expected. Okay,
Yeah.
the other person is
Yeah.
doing the effort. They appreciate it. They took care of my children because I'm telling you, the company which I got back, just after that thing happened, I started working with Barclays.
Okay.
Barclays, it's a UK bank.
Yes.
So the timings of India and UK was different. Like,
Achha.
so
Okay, got it.
my job time used to start by 2 o'clock, used to end by 10 o'clock in the night, and I was in Noida branch of Barclays. So I used to come back like 11:30 in house. So
Yeah.
and my children were very young. So that was the time when I got the support, needed support. Not I'm not saying बहुत ही ज़्यादा, but then whatever essentially was required, that I got it, and that's how wherein I got the courage, the strength, kind of confidence that yes, I can go ahead and
Yeah.
take care of them.
Yes. तो जब आपकी लाइफ में वो थोड़ी सी टेंशन आई जब आप ट्रांजिशन कर रहे थे तो हाउ डिड यू हैंडल दैट विद योर हस्बैंड?
Okay, see, what? We also had a good fight, like, because
Like it's natural.
it's natural because while the thing had started, the day one when it started, you should have confided with your wife. Why didn't you do it? Because that was my first question to him. Why did you actually waited for that getting into deep shit? So you should have told me the initial stage. Probably we could have handled it in a better
Yeah.
way. But he
lot of men I think that they also have this pressure कि उनको एक मैन ऑफ द हाउस होना है, उनको कमाना है, तो बहुत बारी शुरू में वो हाइड कर जाते
Out
हैं
of
बहुत
the
सारे
ego
facts.
or maybe
अभी नहीं बताता हूँ,
masculine,
क्या पता ठीक हो जाए, या that
exactly.
male ego,
Exactly.
तो शायद उन्होंने ये सोचा हो.
He was thinking the same, that I will probably able to clear the ruckus. But until when it went out of his hand, completely out of control, then he told us. And yes, of course, we had a lot of fight. And I think just for 2 days, I cried. I was all alone in a room with my children sitting, next to me on the bed, and I was like, oh my God. When I looked at my children, they did not eat food like whole of the day because I was sobbing, I was crying. We were just thinking, oh my God, sab kuch chala gaya, everything is gone, what do we do? you get blank, like,
Of course.
you know. So because
It
suddenly
is a tough
from
situation for you.
everything you are so settled in your life, you are just enjoying your life, you're
Yeah.
socializing. I had the
Yeah.
biggest group of Faridabad, like
Yeah.
the super rich people of
Yeah,
Faridabad.
yeah.
I used to move around with them, right?
Yeah.
And my kids were studying in the super expensive schools. So
Wow.
and then you come to know that all is gone.
Oh my god.
You've undergone
It
like
is a nightmare
heavy
for
losses.
anyone.
I had gone blank for literally 2 days. My mom.
I feel it's very easy for a person to grow.
Yeah.
ऊपर जाना बड़ा आसान है क्योंकि जब आपको मिलता है तो बहुत खुशी होती है, पर जब ऊपर से जब नीचे की
नीचे
चोट
जाना है।
लगती है, that is something
That is a
very,
very,
very
big hit to
Yeah.
you, to your physical and mental both.
Absolutely.
Both.
absolutely.
एंड वो टाइम ऐसा था अमृत, वो टाइम एकदम ऐसा हुआ था कि वन इज दैट द फाइनेंशियल लॉसेस, अदर वन वाज योर सोसाइटी प्रेशर,
Absolutely.
सोसाइटल प्रेशर, बिकॉज लोग
So
जो
many
है ना,
people, so many tongues talking non-stop.
and because they
You
don't know the
were,
whole
you
story,
were, yeah,
they don't know
exactly.
exactly what has happened, what went
Exactly.
wrong. They have
And so
because
many
of
different versions.
yes, and because of their own versions, people probably also had involved me in that, like probably इसकी वजह से कुछ हुआ होगा,
हाँ.
because बहू को तो you know
Yes.
everybody blames,
Blames.
especially your in-laws family, you know,
Yeah,
in-laws
yeah.
relatives and all,
Yeah.
कि इसी ने कुछ किया होगा, she did not take care, इसी ने इतने expenses कराए होंगे, she must have asked him to spend
Oh
and
my
take
God.
international tour and all of
Ah.
it. So I was taking all those shit also, you know, of the relatives, the society pressure, and then this thing has happened that you have no now, you know, anything as in savings and money with you left.
Wow.
So how do you start now? From here you back to ashes.
Yeah.
Now
Yeah.
2 days I kept on sobbing when I, you know, actually looked at my children, and they were also almost in tears. They were very young. They were very young. The moment when I saw tear in their eyes, I was like, no, Seema, you can't do this.
Yeah.
And you are not born to get all of it for your life and for your children. You have to live like a queen, and please make sure your children live like prince and princess.
Yeah, how nice.
Get up, सब कुछ हो जाएगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. I'll work hard. So probably, you know, 10 times of my strength I gave it to myself, and then I beared everybody's thrashes, whatever they're saying. I ignored it, and then I was there, out and out.
Lovely.
भैया कर लो जो करना है, ठीक
So
है.
from Barclays to Starbuzz.
Yes.
How did that happen? I know it's a very long question.
As a
but-
Barclays, I was working, as I said, that the timings were a little odd because of the, you know, change of country, different country we were working with. But then one fine day, as I said, I was while I was working, I got a call from this agency. They said, we want you to audition for this beauty pageant. We
Yeah.
saw you in a party and
Oh,
all of it.
nice.
I said, okay, ठीक है, थोड़ा fun तो बनता ही है. You know, it's been so many years I've been really
Yeah.
working hard. So थोड़ा settle हो गए थे life में. We were like settled because I had bought a car and the financials were sorted. Kids were studying in the same school. They never even a single day felt that there was something, you know, had
Yeah.
happened in your family. So I'm proud of myself. Seriously, I'm telling that. I
Ah.
really took the charge, you know, entirely. So, and that time, like, I was a little settled. It was like a couple of 4-5 years down the line. Uske baad, when I got settled, then I got this thing, this call, and I said, okay, कर लेते हैं, क्या ही है, you know, I've come through
Yeah.
all the way.
Yeah.
Then what is this pageant? I can always take care of.
So Seema, you know, corporate world is very fixed timings, like 9 to 5. ठीक है, कभी होती होंगी corporate parties, but it's not like every day आपको
No,
party
no,
करनी
yeah,
है,
yeah.
socialize करना है. तो you know, your family gets used to that kind of environment.
Yeah.
पर जब आपने glamour world में step लिया, जो कि मैं पूरी जिंदगी no time, no living out of suitcase.
Yeah,
That's all I've
exactly.
done all my life.
You're always
So how
rushing.
did you manage your responsibilities at home, and how did your kids react?
So as I said, glamour world में I had to, you know, obviously ask for help. एक मतलब मेड भी रख लिया था,
हाँ,
सब कुछ था,
हाँ.
everything, and also I had to
course.
ask अपने husband को भी मुझे involve करना पड़ता. I told him that now since I'm entering into this world, so you please behave like this. Because you don't have to get hassle, because एकदम से क्या आपको आपकी वाइफ आपकी you know who is housewife, then she started working, उसने काम करना शुरू किया, अब वो ग्लैमर वर्ल्ड में चली गया. अभी थोड़ा सा और ड्रेस डाउन भी होएगी ऑब्वियसली, और थिंग्स विल चेंज. तो उसको सबसे पहले तो मैंने यही समझा था कि यू हैव टू चिल आउट, यू नो, यू हैव टू एक्सपेक्टेशंस थोड़ी सी सेट करनी पड़ती हैं. तो एक्सपेक्टेशन सेट करी मैंने अपने हस्बैंड की, अपने इन-लॉज की, बिकॉज आई थिंक दिस इज नीड ऑफ द आवर. इफ़ यू गेटिंग एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, व्हाई नॉट यू नो गो हेड एंड टेक इट. और अगर मुझे इसमें अच्छा फ्यूचर दिख रहा है, जो कि दिख रहा था, तो मैं क्यों नहीं करूँ इसको. एंड आई हैड अ सेट डाउन काइंड ऑफ अ टॉक विद माई इन-लॉज एंड विद माई हस्बैंड. आई थिंक दैट वर्क्स बेटर. हर फैमिली में हर किसी को ये करना चाहिए. इफ़ योर कम्युनिकेशन इज़ गुड इनफ, यू आर एबल टू कम्युनिकेट योर रिक्वायरमेंट्स एंड योर नीड्स to your partner or to your family,
Yeah.
I think solutions निकल ही आते हैं. और मैं भी फ्लो में चल रही थी और साथ साथ ये लोग हम लोग हैंडल कर रहे थे फैमिली को, बच्चों
Yeah.
को, हस्बैंड को, वो सब. You have to take everybody along.
Absolutely.
So that
I
is what
feel
it
that, sometimes people ask me, you're so like high flying and all the time in the social circle, ये वो घर कैसे manage करते हैं? I'm like, it's actually not so difficult.
It's not so difficult.
I have touched with a lot of support at home. My in-laws are amazing. My, but there was a time when my child was very small as well, but I never stopped working. I took breaks, but I never stopped working. ऐसे नहीं कि sabbatically ले लिया, गायब ही हो गए. So unless it was like a health issue one time. तो मुझे ये लगता है कि बैलेंस बहुत जरूरी है बिटवीन द टू. मुझे ये भी खुशी नहीं मिलती कि I'm all the time working, और मुझे ये भी खुशी नहीं मिलती that I'm all the time home. But वो थोड़ा home और थोड़ा work, I like that balance.
And also when I switched to this glamour world, when I started my own company, Starbuzz, जब मैंने अपना launch किया, आई थिंक देयर इज अ हेल लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस जब आप 9 to 5 जॉब कर रहे होते हैं और जब आपका खुद का बिजनेस होता है. यू गेट लॉट ऑफ लिबर्टीज. नॉट एवरी डे यू हैव टू गो डाउन टू ऑफिस, नॉट एवरी डे यू हैव टू मूव आउट ऑफ योर होम. एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज मैनेजिंग एंड दैट्स हाउ आई वाज बैलेंसिंग इट आउट. होता था बहुत टफ टाइम भी होता था एट टाइम्स. एज आई सेड, ग्लैमर वर्ल्ड में एंटर करने के लिए फ्रॉम अ नॉन ग्लैमरस बैकग्राउंड एंड यू डोंट हैव एनी फादर फिगर और अ मदर फिगर इन दैट वर्ल्ड, एंड यू हैव टू गेट कनेक्टेड, स्टे कनेक्टेड विद एवरीबडी. सो बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता था.
Barclays और सहारा से कोई इंस्पिरेशन ली Starbuzz की?
हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स बहुत सारी ली. नेटवर्किंग became my game, became my USP.
तो सहारा से वो वैल्यूबल लेसन.
सहारा ओवरसीज से तो बहुत नेटवर्किंग सीखी, बिकॉज उन्होंने दे हैड गिवन मी गल्फ मार्केट टू हैंडल. सो द पीपल इन एंड आउट, द ओनर्स एंड एवरीबडी न्यू मी फ्रॉम लॉन्ग, and they had pretty confidence on me कि ये handle कर लेगी गल्फ मार्केट. So I used to travel a lot Dubai. So since मैं दुबई बहुत travel करती थी, and we used to interact with the top CEOs and companies owners like MR, Shapunji Palanji, Hubtour, like biggest of groups. That exposure, of course, had given me confidence. One is in obviously my look, my personality, my sense of how wear clothes and all. And second, very important, is networking. How you interact with people, how you get them connected with you, how you stay connected. Staying connected is very, very important in networking. And when you have people, you have clients internationally. So I think they have given me a lot of learning, and I think every work, may it be a small level or a biggest of level, every work leaves you with experiences and learnings. People at times, हमारे बच्चे अभी जो हैं, my daughter at times she say, no, मुझे ये जॉब नहीं करना, मुझे ये काम नहीं करना है, this is not paying me well and all. But then I tell them, when you are starting, every journey start कर रहे हो, तो it's more about exposure and learning, less about what kind of money you are earning out of it.
Correct.
But yes,
the experience is also money, because that will get you money in future for sure.
That has
you learn something.
Because those skill sets now got into our blood. वो हमने सीख लिया है. अब हमको पता है कि हमको कैसे ज़्यादा पैसे कमाने हैं.
Exactly. तो आपने अपने बिजनेस को ग्राउंड अप से बनाया है. एंड Starbuzz इवेंट्स को फाइनेंस करने की शुरुआत कैसे की, और इनिशियल डेज में कौन से चैलेंजेस?
So क्या हुआ जब मैंने वो एक पेजेंट किया, that pageant I won, that pageant, right? So since I won, I started getting calls from other pageants and other events and all. वो मुझे बुलाने लगे कि come as a guest and all of it. जब ये जर्नी शुरू हुआ, तो I was very watchful of each and every activity which I was doing, because मैंने एक अपना जॉब, स्टेबल जॉब छोड़कर ये चीज़ लिया है, तो I had to acquire financial stability pretty quick. मुझे वो बहुत जल्दी चाहिए था, financial stability. I could not have been just enjoying and not doing and not earning anything. So I was watchful for everything while I was going journally for this thing. I learned the process of events. I learned the process of organizing everything. So then I thought ki since now I know everything, why not I start my own company, and I have a better network. I am better in terms of communications, personality wise bhi better hai, so why can't I start my own company? Then Starbuzz happened, and I launched it with first it was a pageant again, Mr. and Mrs. India Ethnic. So I went on to ethnics rather than a normal beauty pageant. So we picked up ethnics, and ethnics में हम लोग को फिर couture and all of bridal and all of we brought in that particular first pageant. So that was first pageant as in Delhi NCR, जहाँ पर लहंगे पहनकर सारी contestant had walked on the ramp. So then it really did well. And in terms of sponsors, initially first अब जब आप कुछ भी start करते हो in your business, you have to invest yourself. So वो investment पहले मेरा था. I had couple of partners with me for the first event. I categorically and very manipulatively I had sorted that thing कि मेरे को 4 साथ में लोग और चाहिए, so that financial stability रहेगा, plus थोड़ा सा knowledge and थोड़ा support भी रहेगा. So we were 4 females together, but company was mine, and they were partnered with me for that particular event, and it went fine. And since it went fine,
so from an employee to a boss lady, ये transition कैसे हुआ?
amazing journey थी. I think now when people call me, अभी तक भी सब boss lady ही बोलते हैं. Most of the people do not call me Seema Gumbar. This is amazing feeling, Amanpreet. जब आपको कोई boss lady बोलता है ना, तो it's like they know that she can handle everything. She will not take your nonsense.
Good title, I'm stealing it.
She's not take your nonsense. So please watch it when you talk to her, when you deal with her. And that there's another level of confidence which used to come because of that title. तो एक वो साइकोलॉजिकल होता है ना कि आपका ब्रेन आपको मैसेजेस देता है. तो जब लोग मुझे बॉस लेडी बोलते थे, तो मेरा ब्रेन मैसेज देता है, सीमा यू आर अ बॉस लेडी, यू बेटर बिहेव लाइक वन. सो वो ऑटोमेटिकली वो कॉन्फिडेंस, वो चार्ज एंड हैंडलिंग चैलेंजेस विद फुल ऑन कॉन्फिडेंस कि कुछ भी हो जाएगा, ठीक है, कर लेंगे यार, विल हैंडल, डोंट वरी. सो दैट बॉस लेडी थिंग, एंड एक्चुअली दिस बॉस लेडी थिंग केम, बॉस लेडी तो मैं बन गई थी बिकॉज आई वॉज द डायरेक्टर टू माई कंपनी. बट जब ZTV का वो शो का ऑफर आया, that was another milestone in my life. And they only looking at my attitude, the way I was behaving in the show while the shoots and everything, the way I was throwing up, they gave me this title of boss lady. Literally on the television.
तो सीमा, अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, आजकल के ज़माने में एंटरप्रेन्योर बनने के लिए, जैसे आपने बताया, सो मेनी ऑफ आवर एक्सपीरियंसेस हमारा एक स्किल सेट बन जाता है. तो टू बी अ सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर क्या स्किल सेट होने चाहिए इन टुडेज जनरेशन, जो कि काफी में नहीं है?
सी एज ए सेट, सबसे पहले तो आप अपनी स्किल्स को खुद से अंडरस्टैंड कर लो. व्हाट इज योर USP? बिकॉज व्हेन यू बिकम काइंड ऑफ अ ओनर टू वन पर्टिकुलर बिजनेस, सो अगर आपको यही नहीं पता है कि आपकी स्ट्रेंथ्स क्या है और आपकी वीकनेसेस क्या है, तो आप सामने वाले को कैसे हैंडल करोगे? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई डिड दैट होमवर्क कि मेरी स्ट्रेंथ्स ये सब है, दीज ऑल थिंग्स आई कैन डू इट, एंड दीज ऑल द थिंग्स आई विल हैव टू बी डिपेंडेंट प्रॉब्ली ऑन माई टीम और मे बी पीपल आउटसाइड. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग विच यू स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस. And second is patience. Lot of patience you need it. Because बहुत ऐसी रातें आएंगी कि आपको मन करेगा फेंक दो सब कुछ नहीं करना, भाड़ में जाओ. I don't want to do it.
Management in this industry is not for the faint-hearted at all.
Absolutely not. Like ऐसे at times अभी रात बहुत लेट हो गया, अब आप काम कर रहे हो, and you had to literally face those kind of situations wherein men is coming on you, thinking that she's working late night, so she's available.
And what the hell? Like a glam doll and makeup and hair.
All set. And also see, problem क्या होता था कि आप glammed up हो, आप काम कर रहे हो, आपका focus काम पर है, वो बंदे को लग रहा है कि शी इज सो कंफर्टेबल, लेट नाइट 12 बज गया 1 बज गया, इतनी कंफर्टेबल है, तो मतलब शी इज अवेलेबल.
Still that thought process is not
exactly
changed.
so then I can always take up a chance, I can always
Yeah, try my luck. हाँ.
और ये सबसे ज़्यादा दिक्कत होती थी.
हाँ.
दैट सिचुएशन वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट एट टाइम्स टू हैंडल
work
कि
at night.
आई एम हियर डैम इट टू वर्क टू
Yeah.
अर्न मनी, आई हैव
Yes.
फैमिली टू सपोर्ट
Yeah,
एंड ऑल,
yeah.
एंड यू ब्लडी आर जस्ट टेकिंग यू नो
Advantage of the
एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस थिंग.
situation.
हाउ डेयर यू.
Yes.
तो बहुत बारी ऐसे लोगों को आपको
जो कि बहुत awkward हो जाता है.
बहुत awkward हो जाता है. कई बार आपके क्लाइंट्स टूट जाते हैं because they are
Absolutely.
actually your clients.
I've had that experience. Like I've lost very major TV shows because someone asked me to meet them for dinner.
Yeah.
And I refused. I said, why should I meet you for dinner? I
Right.
mean, we can discuss it for lunch also, in the office also, but dinner at a hotel, why? What do I
वो
need to discuss
उनका-
which can't be discussed
एग्जैक्टली
at lunch?
बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल सा एक आंसर वो स्टेटमेंट होता था. अलग से मिलते हैं ना सीमा जी,
हाँ.
अलग से मिलते हैं ना,
हाँ,
मतलब
अकेले मिलेंगे.
अलग से
वहाँ पे ऐसी बात नहीं हो
हाँ.
पाएगी. वहाँ पे ऐसी
अलग से व्हाट द हेल, लाइक व्हाट
Yeah.
अलग से.
Yeah.
एंड यू नो दीज आर द समटाइम्स यू आर इन अ सिचुएशन वेयर यू नो फिक्स, अरे इसको प्लीज करने के लिए थोड़ा इसके साथ हंस लेते हैं,
हाँ,
बोल लेते
हाँ,
हैं
ये
क्योंकि
भी है.
मेरा मेजर क्लाइंट है,
Yeah.
मेजर इससे फाइनेंसेस आ रहे हैं, मेजर इससे सोर्स ऑफ इनकम आ रही है.
open about that.
या बट फिर एक टाइम के बाद आफ्टर यू नो टाइम you have to stretch a line because your being nice, being smiling with him is taken wrong,
Take it.
and you probably will be losing all of it.
Totally.
And suddenly then you get a thing, okay अभी जो मर्जी हो जाए, भाड़ में जाए client, जो मर्जी हो जाए, because now it's
when
going
it reaches your patience
Yes.
level reaches here, you're like
कि
to hell with this
अभी
work.
चलो हम कुछ और
Self-respect
पकड़
is
लें.
more
Exactly, that is important. Your dignity, your self-respect, because that's what you've grown up with and that's what you've worked hard for.
हाँ.
अभी कैसे छोड़ दे एकदम से.
हाँ. So सीमा, हमने PR की बात करी, नेटवर्किंग की बात करी. So networking जब से आपने स्टार्ट करी होगी, बहुत सारे connections बनाए with a lot of celebrities in Delhi, models and
Yeah.
and socialites. तो इतने important connections बनाए, तो controversy भी होती होगी, बहुत सारा प्यार भी होता है, but बहुत सारे लड़ाइयाँ, issues भी हो जाते हैं. तो how do you handle all of that?
See, एक तो
Not everyone's happy with your success.
Absolutely,
You know?
मैं
जब
तो
चढ़ते सूरज को सलाम की बात तो है, definitely people are happy. Some people are happy on your face, and then backbiting. जैसे ही आप घूमोगे, ओहो ये वो, so many आ गई, all of that. I've been through that. I go through that every
I've
day.
seen that.
हाँ.
I have seen that while I was connecting with people. आपको parties में जाना होता है, then you meet people and you talk to them, they exchange number, you exchange number. So जब exchange हो जाते हैं, फिर वो जब आपका network बन जाता है, जो बाकी बेचारे जो नहीं कर पाते हैं,
Jealous.
they out of jealousy they used to just say she's a wannabe, she's a sucker. I have heard so many names
Yeah.
for that matter of fact.
हाँ.
wannabe sucker क्या होता है यार? आप एक business woman हो, आप जा रहे हो एक business circle में, या आप
हाँ.
किसी
And
society
your work is
social,
PR. Your company
and
is all about PR.
that's my job. So I have to connect with the right set of people.
Yes.
I am making sure कि मैं सही लोगों के साथ connect हो रही हूँ. That is my USP, and that USP was just cut, copy, paste.
Yeah.
क्या हो रहा था कि मैं connect कर रही हूँ आपसे, ठीक है? I am calling you to my party, my events. Now you are connected with me. You are now my network. I took really effort. मैंने बहुत काम किया आपके साथ connect होने के लिए. मैं आपके साथ बैठी, मैंने आपको मतलब probably somewhere I might have obliged you with something, right?
Yeah.
With my brand, with my shows, somewhere I might have obliged, and that's how you have become a connect. So this society is give and take. भूल जाओ कि
बिल्कुल.
कोई आपसे मिल रहा है because वो उसको आप अच्छे लगते हो. Forget it. No. Everybody needs something in return. अगर आप किसी के साथ उसका फेम रब करना चाहते हो, you will have to give something in return. And मैंने दिया. मैं मतलब चौड़े में बोलती हूँ, जितना भी नेटवर्क मैंने आज अपना बिल्ड किया है, कोई आके माइका लाल बोल दे कि सीमा हैज नॉट डन blah 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 for me. I have done it. Maybe I have taken you to the hoarding, maybe I have given you events, maybe I have given you designers, maybe I have given you paid collaborations. I have given you.
Yeah.
Maybe I've printed you on calendars, on
Yes.
different forums. Maybe I've taken
Calendar
you
is
to
me.
also. Maybe maybe I have taken you to television shows.
Yes.
That has happened. I have done it on Dilly Darling show.
Yes.
I was the first one to be approached by ZTV with the entire team, and I took up the show. When I took up the show, they said कि सीमा जी, we need आपके सर्कल की कुछ औरतों को ही हमको लेना है आपके साथ, because हमको थोड़ा मसाला चाहिए होगा, तो नोन होंगे तो ज़्यादा कंटेंट आएगा. And I understood, okay.
Yeah.
उस टाइम पर दैट टाइम आई हैड रिकमेंडेड मोस्ट ऑफ दीज फीमेल जो आज अपने आप को whosoever बनती हैं and all of this. I don't want to take the name,
Yeah.
but 70% were recommended by me. I got them on the board. Nobody ever said thank you. लेकिन उन्होंने जैसे ही कैमरा ऑन हुआ, जैसे ही the first shoot started, they started behaving like BITCH. You get it? So BITCH, you get it how?
Yes.
They just forgotten कि आप मैंने उनके ऊपर फेवर किया है. You know the situation. DOPs बता देते हैं कि ये लड़की जो है सीमा गुंबर, इसको बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा आता है. She does not listen to anybody. She does what she wants to do it. तो अभी इसको कैसे हम लोग blow up करें? तो ठीक है, आपको कुछ ऐसा नेगेटिव करना है so that she reacts. And she gets instigated और आपको रिस्पॉन्ड मिलेगा और वो हमारे को कंटेंट मिलेगा. Now you know that this is going to happen. You being my good friend, अब मैंने आपको ऑन बोर्ड लाया, तो अब मुझे थोड़ा सा तो हिंट दे ही सकते हो ना. But you wanted that fame through me. मेरी वजह से आपको मिल रहा है फेम, because I am at a spot in the entire show. पूरे 40 एपिसोड में से 35 एपिसोड्स I was in the spot. सीमा against 10 women. लिटरली जो मेरा सोशल सर्कल में चल रहा है वैसा ही इट वॉज ऑन द टेलीविजन. सीमा अगेंस्ट 10 वुमेन एंड सीमा वॉज only all alone fighting every episode. You won't believe it. Shooting start होने से पहले दिल्ली डार्लिंग के most of the times I used to be like surrendering every morning. Really? मुझे नहीं करना ये show.
It can be very, no matter, like I feel like I'm so strong, okay? But really, I'm telling you, I was all of 21 years old, maybe 20 when I went for Glad Rags, and the girls were so mean.
So mean.
They were so mean, and I really thought I'm the strongest person, but one day I was in tears and I howled.
Break
and
down.
howled, and no one in my family I think knows about this. I had a complete breakdown. I had a heart-to-heart conversation with Mrs. Maureen Wadia that I cannot do this anymore.
Exactly.
And she said, no, you have to do it. Gather yourself together.
Yeah.
And शो से जाने से पहले सीमा, मैं स्टेज पर हूँ, उन्होंने मेरी ड्रेस में कैंची चला दी, उन्होंने मेरा सारा मेकअप गिरा दिया, सारा ग्लिटर गिरा दिया, शूज कहीं छुपा दिए कि स्टेज पे पहुंच ना पाए टाइम. इमेजिन ऐसे ऐसे लोग आपको सैबोटाज करने के लिए रेडी रहते हैं. तो रियलिटी टीवी और एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री हमें इतनी अच्छी लगती है, बट इट कैन बी सो ब्रूटल.
इट इज सो ब्रूटल, हार्श. People just want to step onto you and climb the ladder.
बिल्कुल.
उनको घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मर रहे हो आप, रो रहे हो या आपने उनके लिए कितना अच्छा किया. भैया तेरे पे पैर रखने को मुझे मिल गया, ओके लेट मी क्लाइंब द लैडर.
कहते हैं ना वो कोरे होते हैं ना, जैसे दिल के कोरे, ऊपर से कुछ और अंदर से कुछ और. So that I have experienced and I'm sure you've experienced that as well. तो इन सब ये जो आपने किया, obviously that's very brave of you. पर्सनल, आपके पर्सनल ब्रांड में, टू बिकम सीमा गुंबर, बॉस लेडी एंड स्टार बज़ में क्या चेंजेस आए? आई मीन इट gave you a lot of confidence and visibility.
Yes, now people know me very well. कि हम लोग इसके बारे में अपने घर में बैठकर back of her we can talk bullshit about her, but we cannot take पंगा with her, in front of her, maybe with her work also.
Yes.
There was time कि मैं इतनी मेहनत करके अपना सब कुछ build कर रही हूँ, और वन फाइन डे एक लड़की आ जाती है, बोलती है कि मैं भी आई एम अ सेलिब्रिटी ऑल्सो फॉर व्हाट आई डोंट नो. एक तो सेलिब्रिटी टैग पता नहीं लोग कैसे लगा लेते हैं. आप 2 डिजाइनर के कपड़े पहन लेते हो और 2 जगहों पे चले जाते हो, एंड देन यू बिकम अ सेलिब्रिटी. नो बैकग्राउंड ऑफ योर्स, यू नॉट डन एनीथिंग इन योर लाइफ एंड यू बिकम अ सेलिब्रिटी. सो दी सो कॉल्ड फ्री बीज एंड वॉनबीज जो सेलिब्रिटीज बन रहे थे, दे वर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू पिक माई एंटायर कुक्ड फूड और अपने घर पे जाके या दूसरी जगह पे जाके उसको खा रहे थे. यू गेट इट कि एवरीथिंग आई हैव डेवलप्ड, आई हैव मेड इट, आई हैव ब्रिंग ऑन द कॉन्सेप्ट on the floor and I did that. It went well. अभी आप क्या कर रहे हो? सेम कॉन्सेप्ट उठा रहे हो, सेम लोगों को उठा रहे हो. नाउ यू आर डूइंग दैट इन अ डिफरेंट वे, इन डिफरेंट मैनर, डिफरेंट किसी और जगह पे, एंड देन यू आर क्लेमिंग दैट यू आर बेस्ट. आई नो यू. I know you. So I am saying that I see you, I know you. Then मैं बहुत ट्रबल हुई, मैं बहुत परेशान होती थी. आई यूज टू सिट डाउन एंड टॉक टू माई हस्बैंड कि क्या करूँ यार, कैसे अभी मैं इसको कॉल करके गालियाँ निकाल दूँ. और 2-3 बारी मैंने ऐसे भी किया. आई कॉल्ड हर एंड आई सेड can you just step back because
Yeah.
you don't know what kind of a
Yeah.
bitch I am.
Yes.
मैं तेरे को top to bottom कर दूंगी. Just stay away from my work and my
Yeah.
things
Yeah.
because this is my real business and this is my real work and don't try play around. So आप अभी आए हो तो सीखो. I mean, if you want to learn with me,
Yeah.
I'm more than happy to help
Yeah.
you. But don't step on me. Walk along with me.
Yeah.
I'm more than happy to support you. But
Yeah.
आप क्या कर रहे हो? आप सीधा मेरे पे चढ़ रहे हो. मैंने ही आपको यहाँ शो में लाया. मैंने
कोई
ही
नहीं याद
आपको
रखता.
exactly मैंने
वो
आपको
कोई नहीं याद रखता.
I've given you this
Yeah.
entire social circle. You were nobody knew you.
Yeah.
I got you into social
Yeah.
circle.
Yeah.
Now you are showing me. Oh really?
Yeah.
So मैंने 2-3 औरतों को तो ऐसे कॉल करके बहुत धेड़ा था ये सब किया.
Very
But
good.
अच्छे से गालियाँ वालियाँ निकाली थी. And after some time फिर मैं जैसी I got mature into this work and I started getting good responses even though people were trying to kill me like
Yeah.
in my work, in my
Yes.
business,
Sabotage you,
पूरा.
backstab you.
talking bullshit about me.
Yeah.
कहानियाँ बना रहे हैं,
Yeah.
पता नहीं क्या क्या कहानियाँ बना रहे हैं.
Yeah.
ये है ये वो है, बनाओ.
तो इन्फ्लुएंसर इंडस्ट्री में भी आप आ चुके हो ऑफ कोर्स आप तो ऑफ कोर्स नाम भी मिल चुका है तो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ अंडरलाइंग जेलसी जिसकी तो हम बात ही कर रहे हैं तो व्हाट हैज बीन योर एक्सपीरियंस किसने आपको तंग किया अभी तक
इन्फ्लुएंसर की तो बात ही
और
मत करो.
इन्फ्लुएंसर्स ना बड़ा इजियर सेड देन डन है कि ओ
I'm an
women
influencer.
support each other and women pick each other up but वो बेचारी 2-3 ही होंगे आपकी जेन्युइन फ्रेंड्स who pick each other बाकी सब तो they make it a point कि आपकी पोस्ट को देख के लाइक भी ना करें intentionally.
Absolutely. Today I tell you what the thing is कि एक मर्द जिसे हम मर्द बोलते हैं, a male will out of 1,000 times 900 times वो help करेगा दूसरे मेल को. लेकिन in females none of the even one single time
Yeah.
a female will help a female. I think सबसे बड़ी दुश्मन एक औरत ही औरत की होती है. I don't know, this sounds
Definitely.
rude,
Yeah.
but I don't see a woman supporting a woman. This is all bullshit.
Women are so intimidated by other successful
Other
beautiful
success,
women.
you can't take it. However,
true.
men are not like this. Men probably will support
Yeah.
the other men.
Yes.
This is all bakwas. Women empowerment के नाम पे हम ये कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं. Maybe 1% of it somewhere might have been
Yeah.
doing it. But rest 99% is all for their fame, all for their name, all they want to hoard that
Correct.
money and rest go to hell. It is like
तो
this.
सीमा आप बहुत मेहनत करती होंगी अपना कंटेंट बनाने के लिए टू मेक इट लुक ओरिजिनल क्योंकि कंटेंट तो हर जगह बन रहा है आजकल तो ऐसा कभी लगा है कि someone's trying to copy you?
Oh yes, every time. अच्छा, it's not about only your content copied, it's also your brands picked up.
Oh.
आपने ब्रांड डाला, नीचे टैग डल रहा है, सब कुछ
समझ
डल रहा है,
गई.
तो उधर
तो they
थोड़े
message,
दिन के
oh
बाद
my
दिख रहा है
God.
कि उसने उसको DM कर दिया
Oh my
है
God.
and they have picked up that brand
Yeah.
and थोड़ा सा अपना प्राइस कम कर दिया है. So if I'm
Oh.
asking X amount, they're saying कि why are you paying X amount?
Yeah.
You pay me Y amount, half
Okay,
of amount
got
पे
it.
मैं
Like
कर
PR
दूंगी.
पूरी जॉब ही उन्होंने ली.
हाँ कि
Oh my
मैं कर दूंगी. Why are you not signing up with me? It's like this. And yes, it used to bother me a lot. मुझे लगता था कि अब यार मैं कैसे मैं टैग ही नहीं करती, मैं
हाँ.
ब्रांड का नाम नहीं लिखती.
बट वो भी करना पड़ेगा. That's
वो
your work.
आपको
You
करना.
have to give them credit. अगर वो
I know.
विजिबिलिटी नहीं होगी तो ब्रांड आपके साथ
और
काम कैसे करेगा?
ब्रांड कह रहा है कि मैंने तो पैसे आपको इसके लिए दिए
इसके लिए
कि
दिए.
मेरा नाम डालो आप
बिल्कुल.
और मेरे को प्रमोट करो.
बिल्कुल.
सो वी वर इन अ सिचुएशन डू एंड डाई. फिर मुझे लगा करते हैं, कोई बात नहीं, चौड़े में करेंगे, सबके नाम लिखेंगे, सबके डालेंगे, उठाओ जितना उठाना है. End of the day, my USP is my USP. If I have a certain way of presenting myself, my product, my people, my clothes of my designers, I don't think so the other person can anyways acquire it. मेरी USP मेरी है, तुम करो जितना कॉपी करना है, करते रहो. I be the leader and you be the follower.
So सीमा, इतनी सारी jealous vibes and undercurrent negativity लोग काफी हमारे दुश्मन कम नहीं है. वो भी अच्छी बात है क्योंकि सक्सेसफुल है तो दुश्मन भी होने चाहिए.
exactly.
तो इनमें से किसी एक स्पेशल बंदे के साथ आपका कभी कोलिजन हुआ हो, बैंग ऑन हेड ऑन, मैंने देखा नहीं है बट मैंने कुछ कुछ सुना है.
डेफिनेटली सुना होगा बिकॉज ये एक इंसिडेंट नहीं हुआ, ये बहुत बार ही हुआ है. एंड हद मतलब इतनी ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती थी कि शायद मैंने उसको पकड़ के थप्पड़ भी लगाया है.
Oh my
ऐसा भी
God,
किया है
really?
बिकॉज कभी कभी ना अब इतने भर जाते हो, इतना भर जाते हो सुन सुन के
हाँ, that
I mean,
volcano erupts.
we keep on telling ourselves why do we have to react this nonsense, this useless face, why do we have to react, we not react. बट कभी कभी क्या होता है कि अगर आप जवाब नहीं दोगे ना, पीपल एट टाइम्स टेक दैट एज योर वीकनेस.
Yes.
कि यार ये तो डर गई, ये तो
ये भी-
बोल ही नहीं रही
I
है,
totally
ये तो
agree.
बोल ही नहीं पाएगी,
हाँ.
इसका तो बस की नहीं
Sometimes you
है.
have to put them in
Your
their place.
silence is taken as your weakness,
Yeah,
and
yes.
then you have to take a step forward. Hey, hello, I am silent because that what I chose. I wanted peace in my life, but now since you're not stopping, let me give you back.
Yeah.
And then I had given back. पूरा अच्छे से चौड़े
Yeah.
में दिया.
So that the next person also knows कि इसके साथ next time पंगा लेने से पहले मैं twice सोचूं.
सोचो, और don't underestimate the other person quietness और
Yeah.
उसका silence को underestimate मत करो. उसको जब फटेगा तो बहुत जोर से फटेगा. And मुझे I keep on telling myself during those situations, उन सिचुएशंस में मैं अपने आप को सिर्फ एक ही लाइन बोलती थी कि जब हाथी चलता है कुत्ते भौंकते हैं. अब कितने कुत्तों को आप रोकोगे, भौंकने दो, लेकिन जब एक बारी हाथी ने अपना उठाया नहीं पैर और सूंड उठाया, अपना मुंह हिलाया नहीं कि अब सब कुत्ते भाग जाओगे. और यही होता था, एंड दैट्स द रीजन मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई यूज्ड टू हियर देम, आई कीप ऑन बियरिंग देम, बट एट अ टाइम आई यूज्ड टू बर्स्ट आउट लाइक एनीथिंग. फिर मैं नहीं देखती थी, मैं सोशल सर्कल में खड़ी हूँ. आई नेवर यूज्ड टू केयर.
So Seema, we have absolutely reached the last but not the least segment of our show, which is absolutely a fun-filled rapid fire round. Very inspired by Coffee with Karan. But before that, Seema, आपने अपनी जिंदगी में काफ़ी challenges face किए हैं और एक successful business brand build किया है. So आप उन औरतों को, women को क्या advice देना चाहेंगी जो अपना सपना पूरा करना चाहती हैं? Probably they're still housewives and they want to reach where you've reached, and you started really late. If
I started
you know,
late,
in the glamour world. I mean,
Yeah.
I started at 19. I mean, and
Yeah.
you've still, you know, achieved what you wanted to achieve. So in circumstances में जो women हैं who are still sitting at home and are aspiring to be you, उनको क्या advice देना चाहिए?
See, to all the women, one simple fact of life, करना है तो प्लीज़ करो. Don't keep on thinking, don't sit on it. सबसे पहले क्या होता है, the first thing which you have to do, take a step forward. Because people at times keep on thinking कि मैं ये कैसे करूँ, ये कैसे करूँगी, वो हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा. All the pros and cons you have matched, you have mapped. Keep the negativity aside. पहले take the first step further, first step forward. क्योंकि most of the women, they don't even take the first step, and they take a back seat. वो डर जाती हैं कहीं ना कहीं कि अरे ऐसे, अच्छा मैंने सुना है उसमें ऐसे ऐसे हो जाता है, मैंने सुना है इस काम में ऐसे ऐसे हो जाता है. अरे सुना सबका सब होता है, पर why don't you take a charge of your life? Take charge of your life, take your first step further, and you will see कि जैसे ही आप बढ़ने लगोगे, अपना चार्ज ले लोगे, you be confident and you be positive. Positivity is very very important in this field. क्या मैं कह रही हूँ, किसी भी फील्ड में positivity is very very important, because the moment you are positive, you are confident, and you have said that I have to do it, पूरा ऑरा चेंज हो जाता है. योर मैनिफेस्टेशन स्टार्ट्स वर्किंग टूवर्ड्स यू, योर एंटायर यूनिवर्स स्टार्ट्स टेकिंग योर मैसेजेस, एंड थिंग्स हैपन इन अ ब्रिलियंट मैनर. और ये मोस्ट ऑफ द फीमेल्स नहीं करती हैं. प्लीज़ डू इट. इफ़ आई कैन डू इट, आई हैव रेज्ड माई सेल्फ फ्रॉम एशेज. मतलब बिल्कुल ढेर हो चुकी थी. अब मैंने ये सब कुछ खुद से किया. आई नेवर हैड एनी गॉड फादर, नो बडी देयर फिनेंशियली या whatever, nobody had come to support me. Today I am completely settled, well settled in my life. I have few luxuries in my life which I never thought that I'll be having it, but all of it I made it myself, because I told myself one simple thing, that you are the queen of your life. You have to take the charge. There will be nobody else in the world will come and make you happy and bring in smile on your face. Keep that in your head clear. तुम्हारी जिंदगी है, एक बारी मिली है, खुल के उसको जो भी करना है करो. एक बारी करोगे गलत हो जाएगा ना, मैक्स टू मैक्स क्या होगा, it'll not go right, and then you have to get up again and then do it. Until you do it, you are not there.
Yes.
So please, positivity, confidence, take the charge and go ahead
And believe in yourself.
Absolutely. Don't listen to the world outside, because कोई भी आपका वेल विशर जो वर्ड बोलते हैं, कोई नहीं है. यू योर सेल्फ इज योर वेल विशर. यू कैन ओनली मेक योर शाइन लाइक अ स्टार एंड बी अ स्टार.
बिल्कुल.
क्योंकि आपको लाइफ एक ही बारी मिलती है.
बिल्कुल. जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
Exactly.
So Seema, now rapid fire. Coffee or tea?
Tea.
Dream vacation destination?
For me, would be Switzerland.
Oh, nice.
As of now.
Have you been?
Not yet. I've been to other parts of UK, but not Switzerland.
Lovely. अभी का favorite fashion trend?
मुझे तो साड़ी से अच्छा कुछ नहीं लगता. So
Seema's
sensuous,
wearing, looking lovely
so
in it.
sexy,
मैं
and
इतनी covered और सीमा जी in a beautiful साड़ी. कोई नहीं, next time. एक celebrity जिससे मिलने का सपना हो.
Oh my God, don't ask me. Shahrukh Khan. आप सुन रहे हो ना?
Oh really?
I am
hate him. ठीक है, next time if I meet him I shall try to whisper in
Please
his ear.
tell him I'm
सबसे
waiting.
अच्छा एडवाइस जो आपने कभी सुना हो?
सबसे अच्छा advice that you are the best. Nobody can reach out, can achieve the success as you have achieved for yourself, and you are the queen of your life. ये मैंने सुना है, बहुत बार सुना है लोगों से, and I have started feeling it very strongly.
And believing in it also.
Strongly.
Manifesting.
Strongly.
Okay, social media पे सबसे embarrassing moment.
Oh my God. सोशल मीडिया पे सबसे एम्बैरसिंग, हाँ मेरा तो तभी हुआ था जब मेरा काइंड ऑफ वी हैड अ फाइट. हमने रियलिटी शो किया था. रियलिटी शो में जो चल रहा था दैट वाज अ रियलिटी शो, बट पीपल हैड टेकन इट सो सीरियसली कि मेरे फैंस और उस लड़की के फैंस इतना ट्रोलिंग किया.
अच्छा?
मेरा ओवरनाइट देयर वर 1000 मोर देन 1000 कमेंट्स ट्रोलिंग मी
Oh my god.
कि तुम समझती क्या हो, तुम ये हो वो हो. Oh my God,
Shit.
बहुत
Okay, so आपका favorite makeup product जिसके बिना you can't live without?
my base, because I think base,
Yeah.
अगर base ठीक हो जाएगा ना
Yeah,
तो सब ठीक
ठीक
है.
है.
Baby को base पसंद है.
Absolutely. मुझे भी. So एक चीज जो आपके bucket list में हो?
In terms of life,
Yeah. Anything, cliff jumping, parachute gliding, jumping from the aeroplane.
yeah, see, skydiving is definitely on my bucket list, which
Yeah.
I want to do it. And मेरा सबसे जो top most है, want to be in Bollywood with Shah Rukh Khan.
Oh, lovely.
Are you hearing that?
Aim into that.
Yeah.
So एक skill जो आपको instantly master करनी.
Of pleasing people, even though you don't like them, you hate them from core your
ये तो
heart,
skill ही है.
from your core. You hate them.
Lovely. So आपके career का सबसे proud achievement क्या है?
मेरे करियर का सबसे प्राउड इज लाइक आई हैव टुडे एस्टैब्लिश माई सेल्फ एज अ ब्रांड. पीपल टॉक, they tell other people that she's a brand, and that is something successful thing for me, because from nowhere and now I am somewhere. That is a successful achievement. And मैंने
Absolutely it is.
recent अपने पैसों से, अपनी मेहनत से, अपनी मर्सिडीज ली है.
Hey,
And I said
Party
that after this. But when I had done my first episode,
वैसे
हमारा-
पार्टी की तो मैं कोई कंप्लेन नहीं कर सकती. आप इतनी पार्टीज में मुझे बुलाते रहते
मेरी
हो.
बहुत होती है. आज रात
Life
को भी
is a
करो.
party.
आज रात को भी करो. मेरा क्या हुआ था, जब इंट्रोडक्टरी शूट हुआ था जी टीवी दिल्ली डार्लिंग का, तो उन्होंने मुझे बोला था कि आप बॉस लेडी की जैसे बिहेव करोगे और आपको एक लाइन बोलनी है. तब मेरे पास वरना थी, मतलब ब्लैक कलर की गाड़ी जो थी. दे सेड कि नहीं, आप अपनी गाड़ी का नाम मत लेना, आप बोलोगे कि मैं अपनी मर्सिडीज पे आती हूँ और पति के पैसे पार्टी में बिल्कुल नहीं उड़ाती हूँ. दैट वाज माय लाइन. आई सेड 1 सेकंड, बट आई डोंट हैव मर्सिडीज राइट नाउ. कि तो कोई बात नहीं मैम, हो जाएगी ना. एंड दैट इज द डे व्हेन आई लाइक ओके सीरियसली. और उसके 4 साल के बाद
Congratulations. Wow.
That's an achievement.
Good manifestation.
Yes.
Very good. So Seema, thank you so much for being here. It was absolutely lovely having you on my
Thank
show, and this candid conversation which we really enjoyed. I hope the audience enjoys it as much as we did.
I don't know. Yeah, ignore
They
some
will.
of the
They will.
things.
They will love it. They will love it. I'm sure. So, anything you want to say before we go? But we absolutely loved having you.
It was absolute pleasure to be here, Edge Talks, and we really had some edgy talks
Yes.
here.
You
And
said it
Amanpreet
right.
is amazing for sure. And because of her, I got all those things. I actually vomited all of it, because एक सामने ऐसा बंदा होना चाहिए जो आपके अंदर का सारा बाहर
हाँ,
निकाल दे.
बिल्कुल.
वो अमनप्रीत ने निकाल दिया.
Yes.
For sure. And guys, just stay happy, stay calm, and manifest only good things, and clean your aura every day morning by just gratitude. So gratitude अपनी life में ले आओ. बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है. The moment you start thanking God, thanking people around,
Yes.
thanking your situation,
Life
thanking your
becomes a
life,
blessing.
life will come back to you in many 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 blessings and gratitude back to you.
So thank you once again. This is your host Amanpreet Wahi saying bye on our amazing podcast on Edge Talks. Don't forget to follow and subscribe.